We all know the power of AI image generation tools, and from last couple of months, you would have seen some of very high quality, mind blowing, ultra realistic images generated completely by AI with very basic text input circulating on different social media platforms. And in today's video, I am actually going to talk about one of those tools. I am actually going to talk about MidJourney AI. I have been using this tool for last couple of months, and I have actually generated hundreds and hundreds of images using this tool, and I have used this for to run different campaigns and to generate images for my blogs and even for YouTube thumbnails as well. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you the right way to use AI image generation tools, and especially Midjourney. You have to know the right words and the cheat codes, or you can say the prompt codes, to actually generate your desired art, because this is completely based on AI. So whatever you tell AI, so AI can actually sometimes create something exactly what you want, and sometimes it can actually go beyond your imaginations. So you have to make sure that you are feeding AI with the right input keywords, so it can actually generate desired results for you. So I'm actually going to give you a complete from zero to hero kind of tutorial about Midjourney AI. And by using this tool, you can actually create any kind of image, any style of image that you want and you can actually use those images in your real world work, for your job, for your designs, for your websites, for your apps, for your games, and wherever you want. And actually, sky is the limit for this tool. So stay tuned, and in next part of this video, I'm actually going to show you the exact step by step process. So see you there. Okay, so let's start from scratch. So just type Midjourney on Google, and you'll have this website. Sorry. That's the website of Midjourney. Just don't get scared from all these things. All you have to do is click on join beta. So once you click on join beta, so for to join and actually to experience Midjourney AI, you'll have to have Discord. And what is Discord? Discord is actually a software or tool that we used to have. This is actually a community building tool that we used to use uh, for kind of gamers used to use this for to build communities, and this, so it's kind of uh, for other various different purposes. So just go to Discord and download Discord. Simply download this for Windows. If you're on Mac, download for Mac, or even you can directly open on browser, but I would recommend you to download this on Windows. By the way, Discord is also available on your Google Play Store as well, and Apple's iOS store as well, so you can download from there as well. So once you have opened Discord, download it, open it, and sign up on Discord. So once you click on join beta, so this will allow you to open Discord directly here. So here is MidJourney AI's channel. Come to newbies. So this is actually a public channel that here people are actually using. The people are actually creating AI art. You can see in real time. Sorry, hold on. So you can see in real time how much realistic content people have created actually. So have a look at this. Is realistic, ultra realistic actually. So let's look at what that was. The input, that was just that simple input. With that simple input, it generated these images. So let's just go for more details. The stormtrooper Iden, and then yes, this guy has given this much input, and it has actually generated these high quality ultra realistic images. Ultra realistic, and look at the realism on this, and look at the lighting and everything. This is very realistic, seriously. Then look at this one. Look at the details on this image. Look at the different art styles in the same input. Nostalgic 90s initial style illustration, full body 13 years old boy, and all these. With this input, it has generated this. But you can see something like this as well. So people are entering their, giving their reference pictures and creating something out of it, something really unique out of it. So you can create something like that as well. Have a look at this. So I'm actually going to show you a demo in a while, how you can actually give a reference input, a picture as a reference input, and then generate something very unique. And this will actually create a picture based on your face actually. So so if you want to like explore about these, because you have to, these are the kind of words that you have to tell to AI that what exactly you are looking for. So AI will generate based on your this input. So this is what we call MidJourney AI prompts. And if you're confused about this, AR is actually a aspect ratio. So aspect ratio here is 2:3. So this is actually image dimension basically. So this is 2:3 image, a poster style image. Then there is version 4. The current version of MidJourney is actually version 4. So let me just give you a proper wow. If you just come here and even copy their input and add something related to your own content, so you can actually create everything where something very unique as well from uh, for yourself as well. Okay, so I created a separate server for Midjourney AI, and I was trying different things on that. And yeah, how you can create a server, you can simply click on this button and then you can create your own server, and then you can add Midjourney bot in that server. So that's it. I mean, you can create a private server. Why you have to create a private server? You can actually use Midjourney's public servers as well, but Midjourney's public servers are very much populated. You can see hundreds and hundreds of people are actually using this private server, and they are creating art in public. So you can create your private server, and you can create art, and only you can see this art. So I gave an input of my picture. Let me just show you my picture. So this is my picture. I gave this as an input, and I photorealism, ray tracing, ultra realistic. So it created something like this. This was not what I was looking for. So then I said futuristic, ultra realistic, high cyberpunk, and then version 4. Then it created something like this, and then I upscaled one image. So what is upscaling? So once I gave this input, so it actually came up with these 4 versions. So now I can select what version of these pictures, what version do I need. So I can choose one of those versions. So I said that I need, I think version, I don't know, sorry. Uh, I think, yeah, 4. So it's actually upscaled the 4th one. So this is what it created. Still not close to me. These images are really kind of looking like me. And yeah, okay. So yesterday I was trying something very different. So this was abstract poster in muted color, and this was aspect ratio. This was the version 4, and it actually generated something like this. And then I gave this poster as a basic image input, and then I said Joker, and then I again gave it the image resolution, and it created something like this. Okay, so let's go and let's just find. Let's suppose we are creating some game poster for a game which is actually a ninja game. Let's suppose. So let's suppose we have a ninja. Choose an image, your custom image. Let's suppose you're actually creating this uh, for a campaign or to create a game poster or something like that. So let's just try something very specific. I hope you guys will be aware of Witcher 3, and this guy Geralt of Rivia, and let me just okay. So let's just Swiss Alps. Let's just create something. So let's just create a castle in Swiss Alps, and then let's just create this kind of character uh, inside that castle. So come to Discord and give it an input of slash imagine, and it has given us the prompt. And now wait, hold on. Before that, let me just download one of the pictures. Let's suppose this picture, and now I can come here and give an input. So here's the image, open original, copy. I have copied the link to that image, and now I'm going to say imagine this link, and then Geralt of Rivia, whatever the spellings were, GRL, Geralt, Geralt of Rivia, Geralt. That is actually name of that character. Let's just say Geralt of Rivia, and then dash dash and version 4. You have to write this to create image based on the version 4. And let's suppose we give it the aspect ratio of dash dash AR 3 2, and okay, invalid parameter. I don't know what is the invalid parameter here. Copy the command from here, again go to imagine and dash dash version 4. Let me just copy it from here, dash dash version 4. Okay, so now this is going to create an image. It takes some time to create an image, so let's just see what it creates. We have given this as input, so it will create a character in that environment. Okay, so because we wow, so it has kind of created a statue. Wow, it has created a statue of this character on those mountains, because we didn't explain AI what exactly we were looking for, so it has created a statue on that mountain. Okay, so let's again just copy this whole command, backslash imagine uh, walking to castle, snow castle, or let's suppose just castle. All right. Well, this was funny. This was really funny. I mean, wow. So this is exactly same character as you can see, and it has actually wow. And when research is okay, so my kind of I think my trial has been expired, but you can see it has generated something like that, and you can actually create your required art. I created this. If you use this word synthwave and then um, just use synthwave with these parameters, and it will actually generate something like this, very futuristic, very realistic. If you give it okay, so I actually generated an abstract art. So I wrote abstract poster in muted color, aspect ratio, and then this version. So it created something like this. Then actually what I did, I copied that, and I merged that with Joker. So I copied that image. So if you can see, click on this image. So I copied that image, and then I just wrote Joker. So it created a poster of Joker with that abstract art, a very unique poster. You can use it literally anywhere. Seriously, you can use it anywhere. So if you need more ideas, so just go to Google, type MidJourney AI prompts, and you will be able to get details about these prompts. So you can about a particular specific kind of visuals. You can get all the details from here, everything, every detail about anything. So you can literally generate any kind of art, and you can even get inspiration from the public servers as well. So that is actually the right way to use this tool. So this guy has actually given this input, and it actually generated this beautiful art for this guy based on this entire input. Draw high detail anime style masterpiece of a Siberian husky. Wow. All right. So this guy actually gave a flat vector art of surprised lemonade, detailed pixel cartoon. Wow. So it had created something like this. Wow. So this guy gave his picture, and you can see at the picture. So he gave this picture to Discord, and it actually generated MidJourney actually generated this kind of image for him. He said ultra detailed 4K. He didn't give any guideline what kind of art style he wants. So you can even give a particular kind of art style as well. This guy has cat in space with Elon Musk. Uh, fantastical. So it generated this. Wow. Elon Musk in space with cat. Great. This guy cartoon 3D fitness. So it generated this. He gave his picture as well, I think. So he gave his picture, and it actually generated this thing based on his picture. So get ideas from this public. Wow, look at this detail. Look at this detail. Vape heaven. So he just said vape heaven, and it actually generated vape heaven. Wow. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at this detail. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. So I hope you guys got the idea. So just use your imagination and create whatever you want. So if you have any questions, just leave any question in comment, and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. See you next video. Bye bye.